YouTube, thought I'd do a quick video here. I'm in the process of making a building another antenna, and I think I mentioned this in one of my other videos, but now I got it kind of perfected here. I got a little jig that will help you bend your ground rods to 45-degree angles. It fits this SO259 in there nicely. I also have a hole here so I can put it onto a pole. You probably can't see that very well. There's a hole in there. But I'm going to do, maybe I'll do a couple build videos on this. You could, I believe I'm going to, and I'll get my analyzer out here when I get this antenna built. But I think I can leave it right in the jig when I get done doing this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get those terminals. In the next video, I'll show you what I mean exactly. But I'm going to get those wire terminals that are the circle type, and I'll bolt them on in the corners here of this connector, and then I'll solder the wire on. I'll solder the wire on first before I put it in here, obviously, because this is plastic. I don't want to melt this. But I'll solder the wire on, and then I'll put it in this jig, and I can bend them down at a 45. There's a track, and if you can see that the ground rod can go into, the ground plane rod. And then also, I made the hole here big enough where you can take and put it, your connector in there to hook up your cable. So this will be a neat little quarter wave antenna, and I'll have these available with the SO230 or 259, I believe is what they call them. I'll have those available. I'll post a link on how you can calculate what length you need the antenna and your ground rods. I'll post that link down below. There's a web page, you can go on there and punch in your frequency. It tells you what the length will need to be. But this will be a neat little antenna. They're usually fairly small. Now, I don't think I'm going to make this one adjustable. I think I'm just going to make it be one frequency. I may make a cap that go on here so that it kind of caps it off. But if you're interested in this little jig, shoot me an email. Maybe I'll put a link to my store for it. You can sign up. But I'm going to have, like I said, I may make a cap that goes on here. I'll have to kind of see what I can come up with. But at any rate, that's the plan. We're going to build this. And then for a stand, like I said, there is a 3/8 hole here. You probably can't see it on camera. Maybe right there you can. I'm going to make a stand for this. I'll 3D print like some type of stand. And maybe I'll make that stand so that you can either mount it this way, or you can have it be an arm that would come off this way. You just move the pin in which way you want it. So if you need to mount it this way, like if you have like a wall, like in your attic or something, you can mount this in your attic. I'll make a stand. You can determine how you want it to stand. Maybe that's what I'll do. But anyway, so stay tuned. We'll do some more videos. If there's something you want to see, post a comment down below. Please subscribe. And thank you, and have yourself a good day.